Body recomposition is a term that often props up in and around fitness and the gym. Today, I'm going to discuss what actually body recomposition actually is and my top tips on how you can get there and achieve it successfully.
Exchange for gains.
What's going on, my good people, and welcome to another episode of Exchange for Gains. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're existing subscriber, welcome back. The topic today is body recomposition. What the term actually is and how can we achieve it successfully? Let's dive straight in. Body recomposition is a term described in relation to moving lean body mass and fat by conducting strategic workout techniques and applying a strict and healthy diet. It essentially is a term used for losing body fat and building muscle at the same time. Now, you may find on the internet, whether it's YouTube or Google, many fitness influencers and gurus that state you can't actually do that. However, it's actually been scientifically proven across the course of the years that you can actually lose body fat and build muscle. By staying active, working out several occasions throughout the week and complying a healthy diet, your body over time will start to structure into a more defined physique. Now, the following exercises are highly recommended when looking to achieve a body recomp. Number 1, squats. Squats help strengthen muscles in your legs, hamstrings and calves. It also helps strengthen knee joints and your lower back. It's a compound exercise that can improve your flexibility of your body and burn body fat. Number 2, deadlift. In being one of the most highly rated compound exercises, deadlifts target core areas such as your hips, glutes, back and lower back. This type of strength workout is great for bone density and is likely to increase your overall body muscle mass. Number 3, pull-ups. Pull-ups are considered as an advanced exercise simply due to the fact that you're essentially lifting your entire body weight. However, depending on the level of strength and fitness, this can be adjusted literally by using the pull-up assistant. Pull-ups focus on strengthening and building muscles within your back, arms and shoulders. It's an exercise which again over time is likely to increase your fitness and burn body fat over a course of several weeks. Number 4, cardio. Cardio sessions are just as important as weights and resistance training when it comes to body recomp. Everyone's different when it comes to the amount of body fat they're carrying or the level of fitness they're currently at. My suggestion would be to apply a deficit of 200 calories below maintenance for the first 3 to 6 months. See how your body adjusts to the new nutritional meals and training plan, and from there see if you can adjust in terms of your fitness plan going further. Try to get in between 10 to 14k steps in per day if possible, or perhaps an incline walk on the treadmill for 45 minutes 3 days per week. Number 5, nutrition. Nutrition will always be a key factor when it comes to losing weight or building muscle. It is important to reduce or eliminate where possible the amount of junk food, sugary foods, fizzy drinks in order to gain a healthy and structured physique. Focus on eating lean meats such as steak, turkey, chicken breast or high protein foods such as fish, Greek style yogurts and eggs. Ensure you're eating a good amount of vegetables on a daily basis and your water intake is moderate. I would advise to try and drink at least a litre per day to ensure that you're hydrated at all times. So just to conclude, at some point within your fitness journey, you may want to consider a body recomp, which is essentially losing body fat and building muscle at the same time. Don't let anyone tell you that it cannot be done. Like I said, it's scientifically proven that you can. I've actually done it myself. But until next time, stay blessed, stay motivated. If you have not hit that subscribe button, ensure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. But until next time, stay blessed. Get them gains.
Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I made those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.